Alright, let's continue our review of Blender. We have learned how to transform our object. Then we can kind of scale this object. So this, I think this is just one of this transform tool. That at transform mode you can just drag this box here to transform. But you actually just scale this object, okay? So if you want to just scale this object, you don't want this arrow and circle here, you can just press shortcut for S or just click this scale here, okay? So let me just show you. If you press S, then you automatically enter into this scale mode. And when you move your mouse, you can just scale up and down. If you're using this too quick and you want to do some fine tuning, you just press the keyboard shift and you can move scale that slowly. Okay, so you can just scale that to the scale that you think is fit, and then you can just press the shift and click again, and then it will transform to the transform mode. Okay, so if I think it's okay, I just click and then it will jump back to the transform mode. Okay, so I think it's pretty good tool. Just one time transform, okay, and you click and it jump back to the original state. For example, if you are just doing the transform and you want to scale that a little bit, you just press S and you have scaled it, and you click at the blank space and it jump back to the transform. So very helpful tool for you if you want to just use one of the many transform function. You just want to use one of the function. You rather let all the stuff other function gone in order to focus on just one part of it. So I think it's pretty neat tool. Okay, so I think that's pretty much all about transform.